Hey guys, Owen here from Maclin Ford, here to show you this black 2019 Ford F-150 Super Cab. This F-150 is very well maintained. It is a local Alberta vehicle and with 0 accidents reported. It comes in the XLT trim with a 5.0 liter V8 engine. It has a leather steering wheel with a huge display screen and a full cloth interior. It has a lot of cool features. It has Pro Trailer Backup Assist, 4x4 off-road package, tailgate step, reverse sensing system with a reverse camera, XLT Sport package, Ford Pass Connect, Sync 3, remote keyless entry, and cruise control. And you can even fold up those rear seats for even more storage if you would like. Thank you very much for watching my video, and come on down to Maclin Ford to see more about this F-150. Thank you very much and have a good day.